Here, you good puppy. I gotta put you to bed so I can get your sister out. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you want to see your sister too? Where's that little ball of fur? Come on, baby. There it is. There's that little tiny thing. Wouldn't even think it could get up the steps. There's Miss Sassy. Where's that little thing? Is she not the cutest little baby? Look at that little tiny baby. Mom, she stays with Mommy a lot. Mommy comforts her. Miss Sassy says, I'm taking this bed. Okay. Okay. Where are you going to sleep? Huh? Which one do you want, Mr. Skeeter? Bedtime boy. Yes, it is. You too, Mr. Chief. Yes. Look at you. Look at that little girl. And she is such a baby. Yes, she is. Where you going, little baby girl? Where you going? Are you not a cutie pie? Say we all are. Say, I was just eating up, please. You say, I'm doing great now. Listen to me crunch. They're all very friendly and loving. Look at that little tiny girl. You looking for Mommy? Mommy's still outside, isn't there? That's Josie. See, here comes my Mommy. Get your Mommy. Come on. Mommy's not afraid of the screen? There she comes. Good Mommy. That says she's Mommy to all three of these. Yes, sir is. And how many we have here? We have Chiefs, number 1. It's I'm a year old and 5.25 pounds. Sam Skeeter, I'm a year old. I weigh 5.5 pounds. I'm Sis. I'm a year old. I'm from the same litter as Chief and Skeeter. And I weigh 5.5 pounds. Long and skinny. Look at little Mommy baby. They look so cute together. Josie's 6 months old and her weighs 3.5 ounces or 3.5 pounds. 9 ounces. Yes. Where's Buddy? I think there they go. They're going to bed. There goes Mommy and baby to bed. Night night, babies. Night night. Night night. You going to bed? It's nice to see Mommy and her baby together. Nice comfy bed. Yes, you have to go out, Mr. Skeeter, so your sissy here can go potty. We gotta get Buddy. Mr. Buddy out there? Where's Mr. Buddy? There he is. He's out there. He's out there. Okay. Okay. Yes, sissy. Yes, sissy. You're going to go potty. Yes, you are. It's your turn. Here comes Daddy. Here comes Buddy. He does not like trying to go through that screen. There you go, baby. There you go. Ready to go to bed, buddy? Go pick your bed.